Hi everybody, welcome back. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make baby back ribs in the Instant Pot, ready in 45 minutes. Let's get started. Hi everybody. Okay, this is everything we're going to be using. I'm going to use some apple juice, I'm going to use some seasoned salt, some barbecue rub, some apple cider vinegar, and some Caribbean style barbecue sauce. And of course the Instant Pot. Here we go. Alright, so my meat is all washed, so I'm just going to pat it dry. Pat it all dry. Next, I'm going to add some seasoning salt. Add some barbecue rub. Make sure it's all in there. Flip it over. At this point I like to massage it in a little bit. All the nooks and crannies. Make sure it's well seasoned. There you go. Alright, off to the next thing. After I wash my hands. Alright, hands are all washed. Next thing we're going to do, take our lid. I'm using the Instant Pot 6 quart Duo Nova. Pull that off. Now, first thing we're going to do, 2 cups of apple juice. 2 cups. Dump it. Oops. Put the chili in there. Apple juice. Apple juice in. Alright. Apple cider vinegar. 1/4 cup. Put that in. Then we're going to take some barbecue sauce. I use about 1/3 of a cup. Dump it in. You can make this any night of the week, even including Mondays. Stir that up a little bit. Stir that up. There we go. Alright, that's done. Now, take your ribs. I'm going to have to wash my hands again. Lay them on in there. Just like that. Alright. Now, get the lid back on. This is self-sealing, so I don't have to do much of anything. Pressure cook, 25 minutes. There you go. See you in 25 minutes. Alright, so now the Instant Pot is doing its thing. While it's heating up, now you can prep all your other stuff. Like your barbecue sauce. Get that going on. So when that's all done in 25 minutes, all you gotta do is just pull it out, put it on a cookie sheet rack like this, and put on your barbecue sauce, stick it in the oven, and broil it for like, 8 minutes, 9 minutes. Get that ready. So I'm using a Caribbean barbecue sauce. It's really good. I love this stuff. It's really delicious. I love everything tropical. Anyway, we'll wait on that. Now's a good time. When this thing hits about 15-minute mark, I'm going to go ahead and fire up my oven and get the broiler going at smoking hot 550 degrees. And then we'll pop it in, let everything caramelize, and then we'll be eating. now's a good time to like actually, if you want to make a complete meal, you could steam some vegetables or make some lemon parmesan orzo. You know, I'm just saying. So anyway, we'll be back in a few minutes. All right, it's all done. I'm gonna go for it. All right, so the pressure's gone down, little dongle's down, so now I'm gonna undo it. Turn out the extra, oh, look at the bones are popping out. There you go. Alright, so now, you know, ribs will like, in the Instant Pot will just, you know, naturally take its shape. So, now, I'm going to flip it over. The bones are popping out. Alright, the other side. Get that guy out of here. We love some barbecue sauce. Great. All right, moving on. This is even hot. Take this. Go under the broiler. We'll go 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Under 45 minutes. That looks delicious. All right. All right. So now I like to just put a little bit more sauce on there. Oh, this looks so good. Wow. Okay. Wow. I'm so hungry now. Super hot. Oh, it's like falling off the bone here. It's popping right out. I'm gonna let that cool. We'll do a taste test. Be right back. Look how delicious. Under 45 minutes. Fall off the bone. Alright, let's do a taste test. is so juicy. And all that sauce, it's sweet, it's spicy, savory, it's amazing. You guys should try this. 45 minutes. You can adjust things like the apple juice. If I was going to do it again, maybe I'd make it 2.5 cups. But otherwise, it's fine. It's absolutely incredibly delicious, and it's really moist too. And you should try this. And you know, when you got the Instapot going, you got 25 minutes. It's a good time to make side dishes like steam some vegetables or make some lemon parmesan orzo. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this, and give it a like and a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button if you're not part of my channel. And we'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.